We are in Ericeira once again, and today we are driving to Nazare. I'm Luke, this is Tyler of course. We have Lindsay in the front, Simon, who's the captain of the ship today. Nazare is pretty cool, to be honest. It is one of the largest waves surfed in the entire world.
And it's been on our bucket list, I think all of our bucket lists for a very long time
Very long time. And it's only an hour and a half from Ericeira, hence the drive today, so it's a quick day road trip. The size today is roughly going to be about 30 meters. No, did I say meters? Feet. It's 30 feet, sorry.
Yeah.
So today it's going to be 30 feet, but the largest wave surfed is about 100 feet. The kid was 18 years old.
It's crazy.
Yeah. Anyway, we're just going to show you what it's like this afternoon. Kind of came a little underprepared. We arrived at about 12:30 because the swell was biggest at 12:30. Everyone came first thing in the morning. So if you look behind me, the road's been closed, the traffic is jammed. We had to park 2 kilometers outside of town, and now we're walking to the lighthouse where Pride and Norte the break is.
He got trampled like 3
Yeah.
times.
Got it on video.
He got it like he's trampling on video.
I die, but I can't stop.
Nazare was amazing. It was so amazing.
Very intense. You could feel the ground shake a little bit when the waves crashed
Oh
on
my gosh.
the lighthouse.
And there was one point where a surfer got knocked off a wave and they tried to rescue him 3 times. The whole cliff was like...
Yes, I think I got that on video, so you might see it.
If
We're
you've never been to
stoked.
Nazare, you need to go.
Yeah, it's only
amazing.
1.5 hours from Ericeira, so if you're in Ericeira, take a day trip up to Nazare.
Bring a chair, bring very warm clothes because
Yep.
we weren't prepared for how cold it was
It
going
was
to be.
very windy on that front, and
Yeah.
be prepared to just sit and watch for hours. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe to the channel because doing so supports us.
Yes.
We'll be sharing more videos from Ericeira in the future as well, and you can check out the other ones in the right hand corner here.
And if you went to Nazare and you've seen it, leave your comments below and let us know what you thought of it.